Hello, and PJ Cooper the Model Builder, and I'm going to build the RB19. I'm bringing this little video out just as a teaser for you to show. De Agostini brings this on their fan home website in the Netherlands, brings it to the Netherlands, of course. Little leaflet we get as well, showing about the whole car and what this car drove in. Is the car driven by Max Verstappen in 2023. He was champion already by that time, and this is just how this car looks. I don't know if it fits, but 25 centimeters high, 70 meters long, and it includes a lot of lovely things they're putting here, and a nice exhaust system. The Honda RB engine, 1.6 liter V6 turbo hybrid, and all of the other things that you might find in this beautiful build. Now let me show you the magazine. This is the first magazine. Of course, it starts with welcoming Checo in 2021, and Checo began collaboration with Oracle Red Bull Racing Team, as you can see right there. This is a little bit of a history about Checo, and then the spectacular global event that they put on a skyscraper showing this car, because they are going to work together with Ford in 2026. This is that car, the team and the powertrain that they're going to be working together with Ford. We are starting with the front wing, as you can see right there. They always give a little screwdriver out, but that's I suggest you get your own. And putting that wing together isn't just straightforward and easy, so take your time for it. I will do that as well. This is that part and that screwdriver. Looks really nice, and we're going to put the whole front wing together with these first two stages that we have, because the second stage is this one about Max, secret of being a winner. Great story here to read, and I will make sure that when I do this I have written when I do this, I make sure that I've read about this a little bit, because I watch it, but not all of it I know by heart. This is the second part, the lower part of the wing, the halo, and the side flaps or whatever you want to call them, and that is the whole thing that I'm going to build. I hope you will join me, and check out my channel, like, subscribe, and pass it on if you want, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.